Hello, my name is JB. Just talking to you a little bit about pets and concerns to selling and buying a property. So, I myself am a pet owner. I have three dogs. I've got a poodle, a sheepadoodle, and a schnoodle. The poodle's full size, about 65 pounds. And sheepadoodle's 55, and the miniature schnauzer poodle mix is about 10. Anyways, moved in and out of a lot of houses, and now that I'm in real estate, buying and selling properties, I come across a lot of properties that have had pets in them that I'm looking to purchase, and I've also had properties that we've sold that had pet animals in them as well. I purchased the property and it had noticeable odor in the property from the animal not being let outside enough for their dog. And so when I pulled up the carpet, and you'll be able to see some photos of how bad that actually was. When I pulled up the carpet was completely brown or a yellow underneath the bottom part of it in certain rooms of the house. So this carpet in these instances, in these areas, had literally been urinated on, 10, 20, 100 times. It was that bad. And again, there was a very noticeable smell when we came into the house. Luckily though, the people that had installed the carpet, the homeowners, had put in a high quality carpet pad that was a waterproof pad on top for the carpet underneath the actual carpet itself. And so there was a plastic lining on there. And so there was no stains or any urine that went in to the wood and seeped in and either causes rot. And there's a smell that a lot of times you really struggle to get out. And so you've got two options when you have a property that the subflooring has been urinated a lot. One is to sweep it up, clean it the best you can, and then there is some antibacterial smell cover up. You can go buy in 1 gallon cans, or I think you can do like 5 gallon, like a Zinzer or something like that, and you'll be able to actually just get a roller and paint the whole floor, and that will help prevent that smell from permeating out of the wood. Now, that can definitely work, but if you want to be 100% sure that you're not going to have any smell after you replace and put a brand new carpet in, the best answer is just to pull out the subfloor. But that's not fun to do, right? And either you have the ability to do that yourself, or you don't, and you're going to have to pay somebody to do it. But ultimately, that's a decision that you'll have to make if you are willing to purchase a property with those type of issues. Anyways, those are a few tips that I got for you, and if you have any questions, make sure you reach out, put some info on the like button, or excuse me, make sure you hit the like button, and if you want to follow us for more, please do. We buy and sell a lot of houses, and so we run into a lot of different circumstances that the first time or second time home buyer may not have thought about. So please follow us. And I look forward to presenting some good information to you later on. Thanks a lot. Bye.